Hello friends, how are you? Today we will discuss about geographical introduction of India. You can see that geographical map of India. So let's start about geographical introduction of India. First upon we will study continent. It means India situated in which continent? You know about continent is number of 7 or India is situated in Asia continent. Okay, in Asia continent, in which region? So, India situated in southward region. We will discover about geographical shape. Geographical shape of India is which type? So, quadrilateral. India geographical shape is quadrilateral. It means चतुष्कोणीय. Okay, and next is geographical situation. We will discuss about its so important geographical situation. In world map, India geographical situation is where? So look at geographical shape. We will discuss about it. So latitude extension is 8 degree 4 minute, 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 8 minute. 37 degree 6 minute, and longitude extension of India is 68 degree 7 minute eastern longitude to 97 degree to 5 minute. It's clear. Latitude extension of India is 8 degree 4 minute. It means Kanyakumari to 37 degree 6 minute. 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree to 5 longitude extension of India is location. Geographical expansion ki we will discuss about geographical expansion. Geographical expansion is our west point to east point. It means our west point, east west, the distance is that 2933 kilometer. Clear? And north to south is 3214 kilometer. Clear? North to south our distance is 3214 kilometer, and east to west our distance is 2933 kilometer. It's that clear? And now our north width and height distance is difference between is 281 kilometer. Clear? And next extreme points of India. Extreme points of India is that here Indira Col, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Here 6 degree 4 minute Indira Point, and old name is Pygmalion Point. Here Arunachal Pradesh, name is Kibithu, and here West Point, name is Guhar Mata or Gohar Mota in Gujarat. Extreme points is, remember that in northern point 37 degree 6 minute Indira Col, and at degree 4 minute Kanyakumari, 6 degree 4 minute in Andaman Nicobar Island Indira Point, old name is Pygmalion Point. Most western point 97 degree 2.5 minute is Kibithu, Arunachal Pradesh, and here 68 degree 7 minute Guhar Mata, Gujarat. And next is area. We will discuss about area. Our India's area is 32 lakh 18,700 263 kilometer. In world area, we will 2.4% cover. And in area, our country is 7th biggest country. First is Russian and India is 7th. In population, our population is 1.21 crore. And second largest country in the world after China. In area, biggest country in the world, Russia. India is 7th place. And in population, China is first and India is second. Geographical boundaries. We will discuss about geographical boundaries. Geographical boundaries. So, our number of states, 28. In India, 28 states and number of UTs is 8. In 28 states, discuss about land boundary. Our 16 states and 2 UTs clear land boundary and discuss about coastal boundary. 9 states and 4 UTs touches the coastal boundary. It's that clear and describe it. We will discuss in next class. Thank you.